So it's in the morning and you're ready to go to work. You walk outside and you notice your tire's flat. Right? Well, don't worry. Today we're going to show you how to change a flat tire. Now this video may seem like, you know, nonsense if you know what you're doing, but if you don't know, this can help you. So here we go. First, we need to locate a spare tire. And in this case, our 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe has the spare tire in the back. As a matter of fact, it's underneath the vehicle. It's right there. All right. So we need to get to it. We have to open the compartment and we see all the spare tire hardware. And if you read here, it says spare tire open. So we twist this, I guess, to the left or whatever to get this open. There we go. Just like that. And you'll see this thing. Okay, we're gonna loosen this thing and it's gonna drop the spare tire down. So let's do that. Okay guys, you can use the tool that came in the vehicle, but we're trying to make our lives easier for the video's time's sake, you know. We're using a 21 millimeter on this vehicle and we're going to loosen this up to drop the wheel. So here we go. You see how the wheel's dropping? That's what you want. Now that the wheel's hanging, we can go ahead and then pick it up, wedge it out, and roll it to the front. Let's do that. All right, so now we lift the wheel, get that thing out of there, which protects, of course, holds the spare tire, I mean, and we're gonna roll it to the front. Okay, now it's time to replace the tire, right? So we need to loosen up the lug nuts before we lift it completely. But first I'm gonna show you where you need to jack the vehicle from. All right, let's see. In any vehicle, if you look underneath, close to the front tire, you will notice that thing right there. You see that with the little notches? That is called your jacking point. That's where you want to put your jack and lift the vehicle. That's actually on the frame, so it's safe to lift right there. So that's where we're going to place our jack, and then we're going to loosen up the bolts and take the tire off. We're not going to bore you that though. Here we go. Okay, before we move any further, I wanted to let you know that we're rolling this up until we get our tire fixed. So I'm screwing it up and it's coming up just like that. All right, there we go. When it comes time to removing the wheel, notice this. That is a wheel lock. So you need to find a wheel lock that comes with the vehicle so you can take these wheels off. For example, this has the pattern that fits that. They do sell keys that may match your wheel. You can call Hyundai and stuff, but this is to prevent them from stealing your car. So make sure you're careful when you're trying to lose that up. You don't want to mess that one up, you know, because then you have to take it to a shop. But let's do it. Let's loosen up these bolts. All right, guys, one quick tip. Whenever you're loosening this up with a breaker bar, try your best to, instead of like pulling, use your body weight towards that way. So go ahead, my brother, break it loose. There you go. All right, that was the lock right there. Now just break the other ones loose for us. Yeah, you want to push down. You don't want to ever be pulling, because that's how you're going to hurt your back. Okay, use your body weight. So there you go. All right, let's do this with all of them, and then we're going to completely lift the vehicle up. Okay, here we go. When jacking the vehicle up, be sure to place a wheel chock in the back or something to prevent the vehicle from rolling back, or simply put the e-brake on, or the foot brake on, pedal brake, whatever, emergency parking brake. All right, now we can continue to lift this up. All right, once the tire is on the air and it's not touching the ground anymore, you can go ahead and take the rest of them out and get that tire off. So we're gonna use our impact wrench to get the rest of the sockets, except this key right here. We can do it by hand. So All right, so now let's get the impact gun. All right, be careful, make sure it doesn't drop on you. But there we go. We can just pull this off and roll it out.
There you go.
Now the installation is the same thing in reverse, guys. We're putting our spare tire on, lining it up first. Is it on? You may need to raise your vehicle a little bit up or a little bit higher, okay? Here we go. All right, just enough for the wheel to go on, and you want to get at least one lug nut started, and the key is going to be the last one we do, okay? All right, so let's put these on and tighten them up. Here we go. Well, guys, there you have it. That's how you change your spare tire, or that's how you put your spare tire on in an emergency situation. If you don't have the jack that we had, don't worry, your car comes with a little jack. But like I said, for the video's time's sake, I wanted to use just something real quick, but give you the important tips. All right, so hope this helps someone. One more thing, don't forget about this right here. Don't take it home with you. Don't put it in your pocket, don't put it in your toolbox. Put it somewhere in the glove box. If it's empty, nah, just leave it in the glove box the cup holder for now. All right, there you go, guys. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much.